Listen, we've been conditioned to believe that your life may have been better had you not done XYZ, or your life may have been better if you would have done ABC. Believing this makes us think that we made wrong choices, which leads us to believe that we have to anxiously and stressfully attempt to make right choices. And then it's this cycle that goes on and on and on because then you're like, okay, I'm serious. I'm about to make better choices moving forward. And then life keeps going, but then you're always in a situation in every moment, no matter what you do, where you can look back and say, damn it, I should have done XYZ or I could have done ABC, even though you thought you were starting to make better decisions. But what if your life from the moment you exited your mother's vagina has been unfolding beautifully, perfectly, amazingly, better than you can imagine, setting you up for chapter after chapter of amazingness? And what if the only thing ever getting in your way of experiencing peace every day is thinking that there's something better that should be happening in this present moment? Your life is unfolding perfectly. Trust it, especially when it feels hard to.